Good morning, all of you. In the previous class, we have discussed the section formula and some of the questions based on it of your NCERT book. Now, today we will discuss the miscellaneous exercise of the three-dimensional space of your NCERT book. We will discuss the questions one by one. Let's see. First question. Three vertices of a parallelogram ABCD are A, B and C. Find the coordinate of the fourth vertices. We have to given three vertices of a parallelogram. Suppose that A, B, C, D is a parallelogram and the coordinate of three vertices are 3, -1, 2, 3, -1, 2 and 1, 2, -4, 1, 2, -4 and C is -1, 1 and 2. -1, 1 and 2. We have to given the three vertices of the parallelogram and we have to find the fourth coordinate. Okay. So let's join the diagonal AC and BD. Let the coordinate of point D is x, y, z. We have supposed that the coordinate of D is x, y, z. Now we have seen that this is the midpoint of the parallelogram of the diagonal. Diagonal of parallelogram intersect at the point M here. So it is the midpoint of the diagonal AC and also it is the midpoint of the diagonal BD. So the midpoint of the diagonal AC is equal to the midpoint of the diagonal BD. So what we will do here? We will find the midpoint of the diagonal AC first. Okay. So midpoint of AC is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2 z1 plus z2 upon 2. Okay. This implies here for AC x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2. Put the value of x1 y1 z1. x1 is 3, x2 is -1. So it will be 3 -1 by 2. y1 -1 plus y2 1 divided by 2. z1 2 plus z2 2 divided by 2. So it will be reduced and what will be 2 by 2 1. This is 0 and this is 4 by 2 2. So coordinate of midpoint of AC. So the coordinate of midpoint M is equal to midpoint M is equal to 1 0 2. Since this M is midpoint of D, B also, So let's find. So we can write, since M is also midpoint of DV, so we can equate both. So midpoint of DV is equal to, again, x, y, z. So we can write x plus 1 by 2, y plus 2 by 2, z plus minus 4 by 2. Now the midpoint of DB is equal to the midpoint of AC. So we write midpoint of DB is equal to midpoint of AC. So we can write midpoint of DB is x plus 1 by 2, comma y plus 2 by 2, comma z minus 4 by 2. This is equal to midpoint of AC 1, 0, 2. Now comparing both sides. Comparing both sides. We get x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. This implies x plus 1 is equal to 2. And this implies x is equal to 2 minus 1 and x is equal to 1. So x is 1. Now comparing y coordinate, y plus 2 by 2 is equal to 0. So y plus 2 is equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 2. And last, comparing z coordinate, z minus 4 by 2 is equal to 2. So z minus 4 is equal to 4. So z is equal to 8. So coordinate of D is xyz, which is 1, y is minus 2, z is 8. So this is our required answer. What we have done, we have to given 3 vertex of the parallelogram and we have to find the 4th vertex x, y, z, coordinate of D. Okay, so we know that already that the diagonal of parallelogram bisect each other. So M is the midpoint. So M is the midpoint of AC and also M is the midpoint of BD. Okay, so we will equate the midpoint of DB is equal to midpoint of AC. So midpoint of AC will be x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2, z1 plus z2 upon 2. Now put the value of 3 minus 1 by 2, minus 1 plus 1 by 2, 2 plus 2 by 2, we get 1, 0, 2. Now midpoint of BD is what? 1 plus x by 2, 2 plus y by 2, minus 4 plus z by 2. Okay. Now we know that a diagonal of AC is equal to BD. Midpoint of AC is equal to BD. So equating both. So comparing x coordinate, y coordinate, z coordinate. Comparing x coordinate, x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1. Now comparing y coordinate, y plus 2 is equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 2. Again z coordinate comparing. So z is equal to 8. So the coordinate of point D is what? 1 minus 2, 8. Okay. Next question. Question second. Find the length of median of the triangle A, B and C. We have to given a triangle A, B, C and its vertex. Vertex is 0, 0, 6, 0, 0, 6 and B 0, 4, 0, 0, 4, 0 and C 6, 0, 0, 6, 0, 0. We have to given three vertex of the triangle and find the length of the median. So median is D, median is E, median is, so AD is the median, CF is the median, B is the median. We have to find the length of these median. Means B question mark B CF and AD. We have to find the length of this. So first find the length of this. We have to calculate the coordinate of D. Okay. Finding the length of AD, we have to find first the coordinate of D. Then we can find the distance between 2 points by the distance formula. Okay. So the coordinate of D is what? Coordinate of D is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2, z1 plus z2 upon 2. Again we will apply it. So we can write 0 plus 6 by 2, 4 plus 0 by 2, 0 plus 0 by 2. This is equal to 3, 2, 0. This is the coordinate of D. Now we will find the coordinate of E. Coordinate of point E. What will be? E is the midpoint of C and A. So we will take A and C. Now what will be the coordinate of point E? 0 plus 6 by 2, 0 plus 0 by 2, 6 plus 0 by 2. We get 3, 0, 3. The coordinate of E is what? 303. Now we can write here 303. Coordinate of D 3, 2, 0. Now the coordinate of F. Coordinate of F. What will be? Again it is the midpoint of B and A. So we can write 0 plus 0 by 2, 4 plus 0 by 2, 0 plus 6 by 2. We can write 0, 2 and 3. So the coordinate of F is 0, 2 and 3. Now we have to find the length of the median. The median is AD, median is B, median is CF. So first length of median AD. First we are going to find length of median AD. So the coordinate A is what? 0, 0, 6 and D 3, 2, 0. Okay. So what will be the distance? 3 minus 0 whole square, 2 minus 0 whole square, 0 minus 6 whole square. It will be 9 square of 2 is 4, square of minus 6 is 36. It will be 49 and it will be 7. The distance, length of the median of AD is 7. Okay. Now we will find the second median, which is B. So length of median whose coordinate B0, 4, 0, A is 3, 0, 3. So PE is equal to 3 minus 0 whole square, 0 minus 4 whole square, 3 minus 0 whole square. What will be 3 square 9 whole square 16, 3 square 9. What will be 16 and 9 will be 25, 25 and 9 will be 34. Now again the length of CF. Length of median C. Okay. The coordinate of C is 6, 0, 0 and F is 0, 2, 3. So CF is equal to what? Under root 0 minus 6 square plus 2 minus 0 whole square plus 3 minus 0 whole square. It will be 36, 4 plus 9. What will be 36 and 4, 40, 49. It will be 7. CF is 7. So the length of medians are AD is equal to 7 and B is equal to root 34. Okay. Now we will see the next question. Any doubt? First we will find the coordinate of D, E and F. Because D, E, F are the midpoint of BC, CA and AB. After finding midpoint, we will find the length of AD by using distance formula. Okay. Next question. Next question. If the origin is the centroid of the triangle PQR with vertex PQR. Question number 3. Origin whose coordinate is 0, 0 and 0. If origin is the centroid of the triangle PQR. PQR. And coordinate of P, Q and R is given. Coordinate of P is 2, 8, 2, 6. Q is minus 4, 3B minus 10. Minus 4, 3B, 10. Sorry, minus 10. And R is 8, 14, 2. 8, 14, 2C. We have to given in this question, if the origin is the centroid of the triangle PQR with vertex PQR, then find the value of A, B, C. We have to find A, B, C. What will be A, B, C? And the centroid of this is origin. Okay. Now we know that the formula of centroid of a triangle, if three vertex. If three vertex of a triangle is triangle R, x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2 and x3, y3, z3 are given, then the formula of centroid is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3 and z1 plus z2 plus z3 upon 3. z1 plus z2 plus z3 upon 3. So in this question we have to say that the centroid of this triangle PQR is the origin. Means first we will find the coordinate of the centroid of the triangle. Okay, and this coordinate is the coordinate of origin. So after finding the coordinate of the centroid of triangle PQR, we will compare it with the coordinate of origin. Then we will get our required ABC. Okay, so first we will find the centroid of triangle. So centroid of triangle PQR will be, so P is x1, y1, z1, Q x2, y2, z2, x3, y3, z3. Now x1 is 2e plus x2 minus 4, x3 plus 8 by 3, y1 2, y2 plus 3b, y3 14 by 3, and third z1 plus 6 minus z2 plus z3 is 2c divided by 3. After solving, 2a plus 8 by 3, 8 minus 4 is 4 by 3, 3b plus 16 by 3, 2c minus 4 by 3. Now in the given question we have to say that this coordinate of the centroid is the coordinate of origin. So coordinate of centroid is equal to coordinate of origin. Now compare 2a plus 4 by 3, 3b plus 16 by 3, 2c minus 4 by 3, and right hand side 0, 0, 0. Now comparing. If we get 2a plus 4 by 3 is equal to 0, this implies minus 4. So a is equal to minus 4 by 2. This is minus 2. So a is minus 2. Okay. Again 3b plus 16 by 3 is equal to 0. 3b plus 16 is equal to 0. So 3, so b is equal to minus 16 upon 3. Again 2c minus 4 by 3 is equal to 0. 2c is equal to 0. C is equal to 2c is equal to 4. C is equal to 4 by 2. So value of A is minus 2 and B is minus 16 by 3 and C is 2. In this way you can find the value of A, B, C. Okay. Next question. Question number 4. Find the coordinate of a point on y-axis which is at a distance of 5 root 2 from the point P. We have to given a point P whose coordinate is 3, minus 2 and 6. And this point is a distance of 2 root 5 from the point, let a point Q at y-axis. Okay, and the distance of P and Q is 2 root 5. So at y-axis we consider the coordinate at y-axis is what? Let the coordinate of Q is 0, y1, 0. The coordinate of y-axis is 0, y1, 0. So the coordinate of Q is 0, y1, 0. And we have to given the Q and we have to given the point P whose coordinate is this and distance from Q is 2 root 5. So we can write PQ is equal to 2 root 5. Now using the distance formula we can find the coordinate of y. Okay, we have to find the coordinate of point Q which is at y-axis. So using distance formula, PQ is what? So under root 3 minus 0 whole square plus minus 2 minus y whole square plus 6 minus 0 whole square is equal to 2 root 5. Now squaring both sides. Squaring both sides, we get 9 plus here is 2 plus y whole square plus 6 square means 36 is equal to 4 into 5. Now 9 plus 4 plus y square plus 4y plus 36 is equal to 20. Now y square plus 4y plus 36 and 4, 40 and this 36, 4 and 9. This will be 49 is equal to 20. Y square plus 4y plus 49 plus minus 20 is 0. Okay. Now we will solve it. We have to given the coordinate of P is here is 5. So we can change it. Here will be 5. Again it will be what? 25. So it will be 25 and it will change for 29 plus 4, 29, 25 plus 4, 29 and 9, 38 minus 20 y square plus 4y y square plus 4y Now y square plus 4y plus 38 minus 50 will be 50 is equal to 0. Here 5 root 2. So squaring both sides, it will be 50. Okay. Now transpose it. It will be minus 10 is equal to 0. After solving the coordinate equation, we will get y is equal to minus 6, y is equal to 2. So the coordinate of Q is 0, minus 6, 0, 0, 2, 0. Okay. Thank you.